For this simulation, we're going to look at the multi-section solid remove tool, which works very similarly to the other one, except we're removing material instead of adding it. So we're still going to need at least 2 parallel planes. In this case, we're going to use 3 to sketch between. So we're going to start by creating the outer shell of our object. Nothing special here, just starting with an ellipse and building it with the pad feature, because you have to have material before you can do the multi-section remove. Once you're fully constrained, we're just going to exit the sketch, add it, and then start generating our planes for our sketches for the multi-section remove. So we're going to start with the top surface, or excuse me, the top plane, and do an offset plane. On the offset plane, we want to create a sketch of a rectangle at the base. Using the center rectangle coincident to the origin, we'll place the horizontal and vertical constraints to make it iso-constrained. And notice that that will give us a base inside that doesn't go all the way through. So on our second plane, we're going to create a circle that is located on the left-hand side. Make sure that we fully constrain that sketch as well. And then exit the sketch. So from here, we're going to use the top surface to generate our last sketch. Again, located at the far right-hand side. And so this is going to allow us to bend our shape rather than twisting it. We're just going to have movement along side to side. So using our multi-section solid remove tool, I'm going to start with our sketch on the lowest level. Usually it's easier if you grab it from the feature tree to make sure that the selection is for everything on the sketch. But if it's just a circle, you can just click on the sketch itself. But usually that first one you have to generate from the feature tree. So we do need to change the coupling to ratio because we have a square for one of our objects. And that creates our object.